Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan, left trunk, left support bracket, left fan, I/O board, system board, display panel assembly, display bezel, display panel hinges, display support bracket, display panel, left hinge bracket and right hinge bracket. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna for later replacement. Carefully remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channels on the display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape that secures the wireless antennas to the display enclosure. Using a flat-bladed tool, carefully remove the wireless antennas from the adhesive that secures them to the display enclosure. Remove the wireless antennas. Replacement. Carefully place the wireless antennas into position on the display enclosure. Carefully press down on the wireless antennas to adhere them to the display enclosure. Carefully adhere the retention tape that secures the wireless antennas to the display enclosure. Carefully route the wireless antenna cables into the routing channels on the display enclosure.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.